Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to turn off Ring camera, disable motion and recording. Need some privacy or just want your Ring camera to stop sending notifications for a while? Fortunately, you can disable motion detection and recording directly from the Ring app. Start by opening the app and selecting the specific camera you want to adjust. Then tap the three dot icon in the upper corner to access its settings. From here, you'll see options such as motion detection and motion alerts. Simply turn this off to stop the camera from detecting movement and sending alerts. If you want more control, head into motion settings where you can customize the motion zones or reduce the motion sensitivity all the way down to the lowest setting so the camera is much less likely to trigger. Some Ring models also include additional video settings, and if you see a recording mode option, you can disable that as well to prevent recordings from being saved. If your goal is to completely stop the camera from operating, you can turn the device off entirely or disconnect its power source. Just remember that disabling motion detection or recording means the camera won't capture activity until you turn those features back on. So it's a good idea to enable them whenever you want your Ring camera actively monitoring again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.